Hello everyone. Let's start our Japanese language class. In this class, we will learn how to read and write basic Japanese language. Written Japanese language has three scripts. First is called Hiragana, second is Katakana, and third script is Kanji. If we know Japanese language, earlier it was only a spoken language and script was introduced to Japan from China. So imperial language was the Chinese language. The language of elite was the Chinese language in Japan. So earlymost literature written in Japan was also written in Chinese language. That was called Kanbun. Later on, priest Kukai developed Hiragana, the first script. So Hiragana is basically the syllable, the sounds of Japanese language. Priest Kukai was a Buddhist priest. He visited China and then he developed Hiragana. Katakana has been developed. Hiragana and Katakana has the same sounds. It is pronounced in the same way. Only the writing system is different. Hiragana is used for the native Japanese words. But Katakana is used for loan words. The words not originated in Japan but has been introduced to Japan from some other country. Kanji are the pictograph which has been come from China and introduced to Japan in Japanese language as a simplified after simplification. Today we will start learning Hiragana. If you want to see the difference between how to use Hiragana and what are the differences between Hiragana, Katakana and Kanji, let's take one example. Japan in Japanese language is called Nihon. Japan is called Nihon. Ni, ho, no. If we write that in Hiragana, it will be like ni, ho, no. If we write the same in Katakana, it will be ni, ho, and no. But if we write the same in Kanji, it will be ni and hon. Now you understand the difference between the three. So this is the sound which is used to read this. So pictograph is there, and to read those pictograph we need the Japanese sound, and those sounds are Hiragana. Later on, Hiragana is the scripts which has been used to present those Japanese sound, and Katakana is used for the loan vocabulary. So let's start learning Hiragana today. You can see at the other part of the screen, this is A. This sound is, this letter has A sound. So we write it first stroke, second stroke and third stroke. This is A. Next is E. First, second. It is E. Next is U. First, second. This is U. Next is A. First, second, and continue like this. So this is A. Next is O. First stroke, second stroke, and then the third stroke. This is O. So this is how we write A, E, U, A, O. Each letter, each syllable should have this size so that it can fit into a square box. Next is Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. So we can start with Ka, first, second, and third. This is Ka. Next is Ki. So first stroke, second stroke, and third stroke. First, second, third, and fourth. This is Ki. Earlier Japanese people used to write it, use brush to write. This is Ku, and it looks like a beak. So when Japanese used to use brush for writing system, this is actually the brush mark. When you are pulling off your brush, it comes like this. Next is K. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke. So these lines are not the straight line, these are little curves, and this is how we write a perfect letter. This is K. Next is Ko. First, the upper line will be smaller than the lower line, and it is Ko. Next is Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So. So just now we finished Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Next is Sa. This is how we write Sa. Next is She. This is like a small but in a curvature. So this is She. We need to understand the pronunciation here. This is Sa, but this is She and not Si. Next is Su. First and second. So this is Su. Next is Se. First stroke, second stroke, and then the third stroke. This is Se. And last we have Sa, Si, Su, Se, So. So now it will be so. You need to pull it till here and then get it longer. So it goes like this, then come here, longer one, then pull it in the middle and goes down. This is so. So just now we did sa, she, su, se and so. Next is ta. This is called ta. So first stroke, second stroke, third and fourth. This is ta. Next is chi. First, second, and then pull it here, make it like a wave, and then this is called chi. So in Japanese we don't have t or t sound, we have chi sound. So after ta you write chi. Next is tsu. So it is like this. This is called tsu. So when we write tsunami, it is the same letter. So tsunami is written with this, tsunami, T-S-U, tsu. In Hindi, we can write it like this, tsu. Next is te. This is one stroke. So take the brush from here till here, then pull it down from between in the middle, and this is called te. Next is to. First stroke, second stroke, to. Next is na. First, second, first, second, third, first, second, third and fourth. This is na. Next is ni. First little curve and then you can write go here and this will become ni. Next is nu. First, second, this goes like this. So let's write it again. First stroke, then we'll take it here almost equal to the upper portion, pull it here, take it back, then curve it and do it like this, twist it at the end. So first, second goes like this and this become nu. Next is ne. First stroke is the straight line, then the second stroke is like this and this. We can write it again. First straight line, then this, come here and do this. First stroke and the second stroke. So this become ne. Next is no. One stroke like this, and you can also write it like this. This is no. So twist it from here and it goes like this. So we learn na, ni, nu, ne, no. Next is ha, he, hu, he, ho. So we'll learn first stroke. This is ha, second stroke, and the third stroke. This is read as ha. Next is he. This is he. It looks like a smiley. This is he. Next is fu. So in Japanese we don't have hu, it is fu. So first, sometimes it is also looks like this, and both way you can write it. So first one, let's do it like the script we have here. You can also write it like this when you are not taking off your brush. And this is read as fu. So we don't have hu sound. It is fu. So let's write it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how we write fu. Next is hey. This is hey. And finally we write ho. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke, and then the fourth stroke, and this is ho. So just now we learned ha, he, fu, he, and ho. Next we will do ma, mi, mu, me, mo. First, second, and third. This is ma. Next is me. First and second. This is how we write me. Next is mu. First, second, mu. Ma, mi, mu. Next is me. Ma, mi, mu, me. Next is mo. This first stroke, second, and the third. This is mo. So let's do it again. ma, we learn it. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Next is ya, you, yo. First stroke, second stroke, and third stroke. This is ya. Now it is you. First, second, this is yo. So we did ya, you, yo. Next is ra, ru. This is ra. So first stroke and then the second stroke. This is ra. Next is re. First and the second stroke is double of the first stroke, almost double. So this is re. First line needs to be like tick here, and second will go straight, curvy but no tick here. So this is re. Next is ru. It's very simple. Write 3 and just put it a circle here. So this is ru. Next is re. First line, which is straight line, and then this is a curve here. This is re. Next is ro. So it is very simple, it's 3 only, and this is ro. So just now we learn ra, re, ru, re, ro. Next is va, o and nasal sound of Japanese. So va is first, second. This is va. Next is o. First, second, third. This is again o, but it is only used in particle. It is a part of grammar. It is not used in any vocab. So it will only be used in grammar, not in vocab. Next is or nasal sound, na. It's like a H. It goes like this. This is nasal or na. Now we'll make some more hiragana using the hiragana we have learned till now. So hiragana gets over here, but we will make some other hiragana sounds using the hiragana we have learned till now, and those are, when we write ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, this is ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, right? When we put this two small marks here. This is called ten. This is called ten. So when we put that, it changes the sound into ga. So now it has become ga. Ki will become gi. It will become gu. And it will be read ge. And finally it will become go. So this is how the sound changes after putting ten. Next is sa, su, se, so. When we put ten here, it will become ja, ji, zu, ze, zo. This is how the sound changes. Next is ta. When it is ta, chi, tsu, te, to, and we put ten, it again changes into da, ji, zu, de, do. While typing we write du, du, and it gets converted into zu. Next is, we'll use ha. We write ha, he, hu, he, ho. So when we put ten, it become ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Again, when we have ha, he, hu, he, ho. So we write ha, he, hu, he, ho, and we put a small circle over here, which is called maru in Japanese, and it become pa, pi, pu, pe, and po. So this is how the sounds in Japanese language changes, and we can make more hiragana using ten and maru like this. These three, ya, yu, yo, are used to make combined sounds. How do we make it? By using ya, yu, and yo. These three letters are used to make combined sounds. So we'll learn that in the next class. Today we'll do it till here. We'll learn more of Japanese language in the next class. Thank you.